Getting a .shop domain has got so cheap that any shop owner can actually create a website pretty easily at Host. If you get the .shop domain and the hosting using the website hosting.app, you can actually get a website done for you, a simple website done for your shop for free. So I'm going to show you how you can actually get a .shop domain for actually £1.50. If in the UK, you go to domains or you go to new service, you can search for domain registration here and get a new shop dot. Just like you tap the name here, right? So that's how corner shop, just any name, you type it over here, and when you search it, you can see you can get the domain name for this price. It's really less. This I'm actually taking from the card. So once you select if you like this domain or any other domain, you can add to cart. If you want another domain, you can search again, like right, and then you search for that. If you like that as well, you can add that to cart as well. So you got both domains to cart. You can either decide, you can cut you over here as well on the next screen. You can do it, and once you get the domain, you go to checkout, and you just select your payment method, whatever the payment method you have, and you just equally pay it. So in a matter of seconds, the domain will be registered for you. So getting a .shop domain is super easy, and this is the cheapest place you can get a .shop domain. Once you get a domain, how you do is you go to either cloud. If you have on a host one website, like pretty fast, but not like an agency, you just want to build a website for yourself, you can just go to shared hosting and go to new deploy a site. You pick it, and then you pick the region, whatever you want, depending on the server's availability at the time you're buying also. But when you click it, if it's available or not, it'll show it's not picking up really. Once you pick it, if the price comes, it's available. So then you give the domain name. So let me try to see what domains I have. I think I have the honey shop ready. So I have the honey shop, which is not hosted. So I pick this domain over here, and once I pick it, I go to deploy a new site. I pick the package, I pick the region, and I drop the site, and then it's all automatically detected, and then I just pick the payment method what I want, and then I just deploy a site. I'm showing you just that it's getting deployed right now. It's just really fast to get a site installed. So it's connected, installing the WordPress. Now it's done. It's just a matter of seconds, probably like 10 seconds. The site is the Honey Shop online shop is over here, and yeah, you can just visit the site if you prefer, or else do the access thing. So I'm going to show you how the site is actually already live for you if you check it. So copy. It's already live if you check it. So